Hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Santucci, and I'm back in the shop. A little sore from this weekend's activities, but I've got an unboxing video that I got to get done, and then I've got a lot of big projects I've got no time to do, but I've got to get them done because it's getting delayed by parts and welding and stuff like that. So we're going to go and knock them out real quick and get this unboxing done for you. Until a second.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta line. I'ma call up the whole team.
So, looks like we've got quite a few rods, different styles. We've got a couple of the Vexens, we've got some tanks, and we got some Tackle Industries. One of the things we did find out is the solid grip of the Tackle Industries are about two to 4 weeks out on their delivery. They actually sold out of the Tackle Industry rods, man. They're really, really hot rods right now. And then they've got these going on. So let's see. And also too, with the drawing, I was out of pocket this weekend, so I need to check the numbers and find out where we're at. So I'll post that up here in just a minute. Get all this unwrapped and ready to roll. I don't know if y'all saw the fight videos where I was putting these to work on the big old bull reds out at the 480 Jetty. But yeah, as you can tell, they still didn't stand a chance with these rods and the reels we had to pair it up with. So, yeah. Quite a bit of rods in the house now. Got the Vexens on the left, the tanks in the middle, and Tackle Industries on the right. New catalog for 2020. Good thing and bad thing about getting a lot of peanuts. Run out of space to store them. But it comes in handy because then it saves us money that we don't have to buy peanuts. So. Alright, got an MXL, and this was a reel we sent in for maintenance and upkeep. I believe it was a slicker upgrade too, so yep. Yes sir. One. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh wow. They really got this one dirty. Guess all that black line we are gonna have to cut off because yeah, it's grease, man. But we needed to send this little in. There we go. Another one done. I told him to send me the line and leave it on a little spool or something, not put. Oh. Got another one here. Yes, sir. Yep. That was the old handle from that Blue Avid. So we had them replace that. And then this one's the same thing. Beautiful. Very nice. That don't sound right. Yep. Well, that's 5 reels we sent in for maintenance. I guess I just put it in a bigger box. But yeah. Alright, so quick rundown on. A second. Alright guys, so a quick rundown on the ticket sales. For the 3 spots for Tackle Industry or Vexen rods, we have 8 tickets left. And then that one will be done. That means 3 winners will get chosen and they get to pick what kind of reels they want for the MXL or for the Tackle Industry or Vexen rods, and or they can use it in in-store credit. So on the 10-foot customs, we're still at 15 and 15 for the 1 spot. For the 2 spot winners, we still have 30 tickets left. Oh no, sorry, that's 25. Sorry, I forgot to scratch out where we sold some. The 130, we have 40 tickets left. That's the 1 spot winner for $50 tickets. The $100 tickets, there's 15 left. So again guys, as soon as those tickets sell out, will hold the drawing for it. Yeah, I was kind of thinking of doing like the mini raffle deals and stuff like that, but I don't know. I think that would be pretty complicated, but then again, that would be an easy way to fill up the rest of the spots. So I'm thinking about it. Say we'll sell X, instead of the $100 ticket, we'll sell them at $20 a piece, but on a mini, which means you have to win that mini in order to get these spots on the big one. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do to help these tickets move along, obviously I'm only gonna do a certain amount of tickets at a time for this, because there's guys that don't want to take a chance with the mini, they would rather get into the main. So what ends up being, let me see, make sure y'all can see this before I continue. Okay, yes, all right. So the mini, what it does is, we'll have all the $50 tickets, right? That's one ticket. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna sell $20 tickets times 25 tickets. All right, and this one's just, it's gonna be a number within there. What ends up happening, I'll put it into the computer, I'll select 1 through 25, and we'll have one winner. That one winner for the, for these, it'll be 10 tickets they will win. So the one winner out of the 25 will get 10 tickets on the main drawing, which means they get $500 worth of tickets just for buying a $20 ticket here. So this can really increase your chances to getting on these main drawings by doing it this route. All right, so, but on here, those 10 tickets will still leave X amount of tickets left on each of the drawings. One has 15, one has 20, I think the other one has whatever, but this will do 10 tickets. Now, I still have the $100 pot as well. So I'm gonna do the same thing. 20 times 25 tickets will get them 5 spots on the main. And again, that's $500 worth of tickets right there for this one. This is for the T-Rex 130 rod, reel, line, tackle. Okay guys, so the way the minis work is, the tickets right now are $50. Those are the 3 main ones that we still have for the 10-foot drawing and for the T-Rex 130. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of selling them for $50 a piece on those main ones, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell 25 tickets, or 25 spots. Let me clear that up. 25 spots on this individual drawing. Okay, 1 through 25. Select the computer to choose one person to win. That one person will get 10 spots on the main. So that's a $500 value right there. Okay. Now, rolling that same math for the $100 ticket, we're going to do $20 spots, 25 spots to choose from. The winner gets 5 tickets on the main. Again, the T-Rex 130, it's rod, it's a custom rod, reel, line, tackle, and the Vexen bag. So again, guys, like I said, these are the minis, and it's for the $50 tickets and the $100 tickets. Or wait, y'all gotta vote on this. I know y'all gonna go for it, but I need y'all's input. Tomorrow, I'll find out how many says. We have the majority people saying they would like to go this route. Then we'll start selling the tickets tomorrow in the minis for these amount of spots within the $50 drawing and the $100 drawing. So again, guys, this is a great way to get into these raffles without paying the full value. But at the same time, we gotta sell 25 of each spot for each of those drawings to get those tickets. Once they do sell, I will go live on the channel, select the number using the computer, and then that way their names can get added on the tickets and they'll get notified of how it's done. But again, y'all must vote on it tonight, and we'll go from there. So this is a way we can get rid of these tickets really quickly.